Sampurasun dulur. Sim kuring nuju ngajak jalan-jalan Dedek Adrian. Kurang sabari beli gitar. Toko gitar guys. Gaskeun ayo. Ini toko gitarnya guys. Mari spill ke dalam yuk.
Oh, nice. And whatnot. And then it should only be with maybe less than a week. This one.
I forgot what's the price, right?
129.
Alright.
You want to have a little play on that again? I'll get you a box and everything for it.
Mari kita coba gitar asli buatan Inggris nih guys. Ini gitar tuh seharga 129 pound sterling.
It's a lovely guitar, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's why I stock Tanglewoods, is because even their entry level stuff is for seasoned guitarists. It's still a very nice thing to play.
Better.
Brilliant. Can I put you down for one of those as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Comes with the battery and everything.
Oh, with the battery?
Yeah, it comes with one. It'll be a CR32. You can get like 6 of these from Proper Job for a couple of quid.
Okay.
But it's lots in there. There we go. It's one of those. But yeah, you can get like Panasonic ones from Proper Job for £2 something, and you get 6 of them. So it's well over a year's worth of battery.
How long it lasts normally?
As long as you remember to turn it off. 6 months. If you remember to turn them off, they last for ages. I probably replaced the battery in my one, bi-yearly.
Oh, that's long enough.
You hold down the orange button to turn it on. There's a list of different settings, and when you click it individually, it will move across them. The only one you want to use is C. C basically means chromatic, so it will tell you exactly where you are. Whereas if you go to G for guitar, it will tell you that it's E, and it won't move until you take it to E, and this can sometimes be really confusing and whatnot. So yeah, as long as you have it set to just chromatic, and that remembers that every time you turn it on.
Just chromatic.
But yeah, the first one you want there, and that's basically going to tell you exactly where you are, and then you can tune accordingly. And what you want to do is aim for that little bar to reach the middle. Screen will go green, and that's how you know that you're a pitch.
Alright, that's
Alrighty.
cool.
We're looking at $138.99 for everything there. Then, is that by Apple Pay?
Apple Pay, yeah.
Absolutely. When you're ready, to pop your phone on there. Now, as it's a brand new guitar, you have got 2 years of manufacturing warranty with Tanglewood, and then with me, if you need it restrung or checked out, or if you notice that like the neck relief has gone, just bring it to me. I'll sort that out for you.
Alright,
Not a problem. And just before I let you go, I can't print physical receipts at the moment, annoyingly. So if I may grab an email address from one of you two, I can email your receipt over to you.
1986.
So I1986.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At Gmail.
At Gmail.
So yesterday I was wrong then.
Right, okay, no worries. So that's correct for you, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
All right, fantastic. Well, you know where to find me if you have any problems and whatnot. The good thing is I'm the only member of staff here, so it'll always be me that you deal with and whatnot. But that's great. That's all gone through. I hope you enjoy the new guitar.
Wih, mantap guys. Abis gajian langsung beli gitar akustik baru. Jadi punya saya yang sebelumnya itu kan gitar akustik elektrik ya. Kalau yang baru saya beli ini gitar akustik asli, dan mereknya adalah Tanglewood, dan saya sudah dikasih sertifikatnya beserta garansi selama 2 tahun guys. Mantap ya. Jadi kalau beli gitar di sini tuh ya seperti ini guys, dikasih sertifikat dan juga garansi selama 2 tahun. Oke guys, saatnya kami pulang. Di next video nanti saya spill gitarnya ya. Terima kasih yang sudah menonton. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.